look at the Farmertec MS 660 and find out what that rattle is. So it sounds like it's in the exhaust area, so we'll get the exhaust taken off and investigate. Sounds to me like it's obviously I'm taking the outer cover off right now. Sounds to me like it's one of the bolts that holds on the internal piece, or the back piece of this that actually connects onto the cylinder. I have had that before, where the screw comes loose, and before everybody says, yep, I have used Loctite, yes I have torqued them up, still get the same thing. And it isn't, it's that. So that, from memory, is connected here. Geez, this has not lasted long, I'll tell you. Yeah, if you can see if I can get you a little bit lower down. So if you can see in there, that edge there and that edge there was connected onto that plate. Yep, it's the second exhaust I've had the same thing fail previously. So obviously I'm not going to put this back in, because last time when I tried to put that in, I re-welded it and it lasted just a short period of time before it fell apart again. So I have a feeling it's something to do with the metal on this. It's some cheap steel that's not really designed for high temperature and high vibration. So it'll sound a bit throaty without that in, but that's just how it's going to have to be. Paying another $100 or whatever it was for another exhaust for it to not last long. Could look at getting this genuine still, but yeah, I think I really need to. Because I'm in my workshop at the land, I don't have my torque meter with me, torque wrench. I'll just tighten these up by hand. So that's the offending piece. So yeah, that edge there, you can see the metal's just cracked. That must be a fatigue issue. That edge normally is bent over like that onto a flange, and then that flange is bolted in place. So I'm imagining as they bend it, like they have done here, it creates a weak spot. Right, let's stick this outside and give it a try, see how throaty it sounds. Doesn't sound too bad. It's a bit throatier than normal, but it's still going to be able to be used, so we'll put that to use later today. For those that watch my channel, you know that I've got quite a few chainsaws, but I only have trouble with this Farmertec MS 660. On the screen now you'll see the list of fails and repairs that I've had to do over the period of time that I've had it. I love it when it's working, but it's really starting to test my patience. Thanks for watching. See you next time on the Rural Project.